Hello all, this is Universal Group of Institutions Bangalore. I am Kashi Shetty here with the latest news. Members of the US House of Representatives Foreign Affairs Committee will introduce the Indian Ocean Region Strategic Review Act. Sponsored by Joaquin Castro as well as Darrell Issa, it formalizes a cohesive strategy for the Indian Ocean region, that is IOR. So, what is the role of India when it comes to the IOR? Sagar Vision. It has been guided by the vision of Sagar. So, what does Sagar stand for? Security and growth for all in the region. Blue economy development, implementing the Sagar Mala. So, the project for port-led development utilizing technology-driven modernization. Economic aspiration. It tries to become a $10 trillion economy by 2032 with the potential of the blue economy contributing significantly. Third largest water body globally, known as the Sea of Stability. Crucial for international trade, transporting 1/3 of bulk cargo as well as 2/3 of oil shipments. It's also abundant in oil, natural gas, minerals, and driving economic vibrancy. India maintains long-standing trade as well as cultural ties with regional countries. About the United Nations State Agency for International Development, independent agency of the US government administering civilian foreign aid as well as development assistance. It was established by John F. Kennedy in 1961 and the aid was authorized by US Congress. The focus areas have been poverty reduction as well as democratic governance. Well, that's all for now. Thank you. Stay tuned for more news. We have a detailed description present on our website. Kindly click on the link that's present down below. Thank you.